Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you and show you how to solve cellular connection issues detected on iPhone. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So basically, in order to fix this error, what you're gonna have to do is simply open the control center on your iPhone and then simply turn on and off the airplane mode from here. So basically, after you do that, it should solve the issue. Now, keep in mind that you need to have some connection in your area, some good connection, otherwise it won't work. So maybe if you're in a field, you will still not have connection if you are in a field, but if you're in a city and you do this method, it will automatically fix the error. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.